Are you a business owner, entrepreneur, or marketer looking for the best digital marketing agency in Nigeria? Before you make a costly mistake, watch this video to the end. We're not just giving you a list, we're giving you the blueprint to find the perfect agency tailored to your needs. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mauco Enterprises channel for more business growth strategies. Now let's dive in. The right digital marketing agency can help you generate leads, boost sales, and build brand authority. But choosing the wrong one? That can drain your budget and deliver disappointing results. So, how do you ensure you're making the right choice? Let's break it down. Here are the essential qualities to look for when choosing a digital marketing agency in Nigeria. 1. Industry experience. Look for an agency with a proven track record in your industry. 2. Services that match your needs. Whether it's SEO, social media marketing, or paid ads, ensure they specialize in what you need. 3. Case studies and testimonials. A good agency should have success stories and client feedback to back up their claims. 4. Transparency and communication. Avoid agencies that are vague about their strategies or unwilling to share progress reports. 5. Pricing and ROI. The cheapest option isn't always the best. Focus on value and measurable results rather than just cost. Many businesses search for a definitive list of the top digital marketing agencies in Nigeria. But here's the truth, rankings are subjective. What works for one company might not work for another. Your budget, goals, and industry all play a role in finding the right fit. Instead of a fixed list, we've given you the key factors to identify an agency that truly aligns with your business needs. Use these criteria to evaluate agencies and make an informed decision. If this video is providing value, hit that like button. And if you know another business owner who might find this helpful, share this video so they don't make costly mistakes. Now that you know what to look for, take action. Research and shortlist agencies based on these criteria. Schedule consultations to ask the right questions. Choose a partner that aligns with your growth strategy. Want more insights on digital marketing and business growth? Follow Mauco Enterprises for future videos packed with strategies that actually work. If you found this video useful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see it. And don't forget to follow Mauco Enterprises on social media for more expert business tips. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next one.